I can go because I have a pressure washing business. I'm in my third season. It's doing pretty well.
Okay.
So I do that with homeowners, and then for my job, we do commercial like laundry. So we have laundry machines and like multifamily houses, nursing homes. So I can go that route with the property managers. Like, what would you recommend for somebody new to go like more homeowners or more like the property management type route?
So both is really good. I mean, I think the earlier that you can get clientele and homeowners, you want to build a customer base with homeowners as quickly as possible. So I would probably choose homeowners, but if it falls in your lap, property management is great. But I wouldn't recommend that would be your strategy from the start, is going after property management companies. Simply because it's going to be hit or miss when you're reaching out to them. It definitely has potential if you do it right. But what I always recommend is, if you're going after property management companies, you want your main strategy or the main goal to be to get on their list of approved vendors. You just want to become an approved vendor in their system. Don't expect to land a deal right off the start. You could, but if you expect that, you're probably going to be disappointed for the first couple of weeks or even months. But what you want to do is, you want to, like, non-pushy, like, hey, I just want to become an approved vendor, so I'm in your system, and you can look me up whenever you need me. And so, and the way you do that is, you need to have commercial insurance, you need to have general liability insurance, and you also need to have a W-9. And so, as long as you have those two things, then you can, and some of them have more requirements. You need to also have commercial auto on there, but most of the time that's all you need. And then you just get signed up in their system, and then you just keep doing that. Before you know it, a couple months down the road, you might actually start getting some calls from these property management companies. That's why initially I would probably recommend the residential, working with homeowners as much as possible. Because also, here's the thing with homeowners is, you have a open shot at getting them to recommend you to their neighborhoods and their neighbors and their community. And so that's a better way to kind of start getting that snowball rolling down the hill.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah.
Yep.
And there's one more thing that's been burning me, burning is just that. So I wanted to get the confidence, basically how to do the job, which you kind of recommended going through the quick start training. And then the other thing was just like the pricing, like how do I price? Like, could you point me to a video or resource for that?
That's in week 1 too. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. There's
All right.
a pricing video. There's a pricing guide. Yep. What market are you
in? Philly.
Hey, my dad's from Philly.
Oh, nice.
I hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you're getting started in your business and you want to see how we're helping new dryer vent cleaning business owners get off to a great start for free, click the link in the description below and take the test drive. Or don't, and just keep binge watching Dusty Lint videos. Whatever makes you happy.